Warning, this video contains graphic images that may not be suitable for little sissy bitches, so your discretion is advised. We kill shit here.
Well guys, I'm out checking the cat sets real quick. Where we are in Missouri. I'm getting ready to go down to Nebraska to Flair's Ranch, but we gotta catch in one of the cat sets there clear up here on top of the hill. Apparently the flag didn't bother him any, so I'll get up here and I'll show you what we got. Here's what the cat sets look like. We got that flag there. Big old dirt hole. We're in Missouri, so you can use feathers for cats. I do have a cat that came here. He went right here. Somehow he walked all the way to the hole, looked in it, and I didn't get him, but I was waiting for him to come back. Wait till you see this. Well, apparently he gave away his location. He's a talker. It's a beautiful guy. He is a talker. He's aggressive. Had a dirt hole. He dug the dirt hole out. We got the flag there. I say that typically we won't catch coyotes where there's flags, but this guy isn't he definitely good looking dog. He's aggressive though. He's the one you don't want to try to pet. He's done talking now that I'm uphill or what? Let's see if that's what it is. I went uphill and he's not talking now. So there he goes. Some do call more than others when you catch them, but so this one's probably a little higher up in the chain of command. All I'm doing is I'm sitting on this ridge here. Got a cat set going up that way, and I got a cat set coming up the ridge this way. And we got a coyote. Definitely take him. This is our property that we deer hunt and turkey hunt. As you can see, it's pretty vast, so I'll get him taken care of, and I'll come back up here and do the remake. He pretty much destroyed my hole, so that's gonna require a big log, I think. Sure, I can find one around here. Welcome back, guys. I am in Missouri. A little bit. I was coming down here to pull some of my cables, knock them down for now. Some of these places are hard to get to. We just had a big snowstorm, and I walked in here to knock down a cable. I wanted to show you. Sometimes you guys are like, why are you breathing so hard? Look at this drift I just busted through. It's deep. Look at this. It'll be a little while before the coyotes are running this again. Well, my trail got this tree knocked down on it, so we're supposed to get more wind, and I don't want to risk not being able to get here. I already had a hell of a time. It doesn't look like much over there, but there was a lot of spots where I had a hard time getting through. I got a few cables here. All right. So basically I come in here and I pick out all the wide open lanes with no entanglement. And we got this guy right here in a wide open. He can't reach any of this. He's pretty aggressive. But them coyotes run through here. And anywhere you can find a spot that's legal in your state. Now, if I was able to snare here, it'd be a piece of cake. But as you can see, I'm only limited to certain areas. You can't go that way. Can't go that way. It was basically this wide open spot in the grass. This was just grass here. You can kind of see it a little bit. But I'll get him taken care of and I'll be back with you. Another nice dog. Get him out of here now. We're just knocking down cables. Like I said, I don't want to risk not being able to get back in here. All right, let's get out of here. This is some fucking Jesus, some deep snow. Probably say, why don't you just go around it? Well, it's a straight wall. It's a straight wall here. A lot of snow for my area, drift-wise. Whew. Made it out. All right, stay tuned, guys. Moving on.